Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
About 18 to 35% of people sneeze when exposed to bright light due to a genetic trait called the photic sneeze reflex. Bright light overstimulates the trigeminal nerve near the optic nerve, confusing the brain and triggering a sneeze. It's harmless, but shows how closely connected our nerves really are.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.